Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 11 Stanton in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So this house is especially special because it is one of the very few homes that we offer that is 3-bedroom. This is a pre-owned house, so it comes as is. You can see the living room. Get this really pretty wood siding there. It's over here as well. Got laminate countertops throughout this kitchen. And this really beautiful island, which has a bunch of cabinet space there, which we'll show in a moment. Got this farm sink. And I really love this blue wallpaper that's all around. So there's all Whirlpool appliances in this house. Here you can see that island. So it's got tons of space in there. So you can easily, put all your spices and snacks if you want or whatnot. This is one of the bathrooms. Got 2 mirrors. Right above the 2 side-by-side sinks. And it's kind of a perfect combination because you have this right here where you could easily put your towels and whatnot. And right behind me we have the 2 bedrooms. So perfect for a family, 2 kids in these 2 rooms. And then they've got the bathroom right there with 2 sinks. So it's set up perfectly. Here you have the closet. And in this room, you have the water heater. This is a 40-gallon electric water heater. Now we'll take a look at the other bedroom. And it has a matching closet just like the other room. Now I'll take a look at the rest of the house. So this is the back door right here. And along with that, you have the washer and dryer. Here is the electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps. And behind the door right here, we have the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning throughout the house. You can just see how large that living room is. Just before we go to the master bedroom, here we have the thermostat. And here's the master bedroom. And the master bath here is exquisite. Really love this mirror. Got this cabinet space right on the right. Here's the shower. It's all one-piece fiberglass. Got a little window right above. 2 seats in there. And here we have the walk-in closet. If you're interested in this house or any other houses that we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set up on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cotta redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.